Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Robin, and today's video is about a new product that I purchased recently from an online platform. And this online platform is available in Singapore, and I'm not so sure if it's available in overseas as well. However, this is an app named Carousel. This is not a commercial. I never get any paid advertisement or anything. I'm just recommending you that I am using this Carousel app. This Carousel app is basically an online flea market where you can buy and sell new and used products. And I also sold a lot of products because sometimes I do purchase things and I receive things that I wouldn't personally use. So I just upload everything here. Like my brushes, my old phones, my old products. Yeah, I used to have these 3 benefit blushes. I think it's pretty a mistake that I sold them away. And these MAC products as well, and MAC eyeshadow palettes. It's very wasted. I should have never sold it. Anyway, since I purchased this new eyeshadow palette from NARS, this is an Ignited eyeshadow palette. And if I'm not wrong, this is discontinued. You cannot buy it online or any authorized retail platform. And it has this beautiful 12 colors. And let's see how I'm going to use this product on my eye and how it looks like. For Americas, I'm pretty sure you can buy this palette from TJ Maxx or Target, because I heard there are a lot of NARS products available at much cheaper price. God bless America. However, in Singapore, there's no outlet shopping mall for NARS or other cosmetic brand unless it's Johor, Malaysia. I think Carousel is thus far where you can purchase those either used or unused products at a slightly cheaper price. So let's try this eyeshadow palette out on my eye and let's see how it looks like. I'm just here to give you an inspiration that I've created this look and how I think. Anyway, let's start. Today I'm gonna create romantic smoky look. I want to try something unique shade that, like this color here, is called Fuse. Eyeshadow brush. First of all, it's very sparkling. It's shape shifting. Every dimension it has a different light reflection. Color is more to a plum side. Then using a blender brush. This is a brush from Shiseido Naname Fude. Soften out those edges. And so far, there's no fallout on my lower eye. This is quite impressive. They are so beautiful. And also the same color, a smaller brush. I'm gonna go on outer corner of my eye and also the lower corner of my eye. The color is actually not too dark and not too intense, so it can be worn all over your eyelid daily. So I'm applying this color on the entire eyelid here and outer corner of my eye and also lower eye, 1/3 of my lower eye here. So the color looks harmonized together. And then I'll go with this darkest color here in the palette. This is Pointe Noir by using this this is a Yane Hake Fude from Shiseido. I love this brush because it really can go near to your lash line while adding shade and dimension there. So far, no fallouts. It's very impressive. Then I'll just roughly clean this brush on a tissue paper. And next I'm gonna use this color here. It looks like Light Up. Also the same brush. This color goes on the inner corner of my eye, so it can really highlight. And I have a sad news. I was just applying this eyeshadow and this brush just scratched this eyeshadow pen here. Oh, come on. Anyway, so far the intensity is adding up, and I think I can go a little bit more browny colors on this edge of my current eyeshadow as a bridge color, so it can kind of connect together. Maybe I'll use the colors from the palette here, maybe this or this. I'll try Sophia. It's a cool brown color, matte. It seems very pigmented. And this color, I'm gonna apply over those edges. Wow, it's very pigmented. I like to place the eyeshadow first and blend later. Then blending. Even if you already place eyeshadow base, you can still blend because this is a concealer, so your powder or your cream will still move, because concealer formula will allow the powder, cream, whatever formula allows still moves on the surface of your lid. It's actually quite dramatic. It's like disco. It's very lovely. I think reveal who you are is really important. I think this is me, who I am. Okay, for eyeline, I'm gonna use liquid pen and I'm gonna draw it kinda a cat eye defined look. So now I got the defined eyeline. The line is actually pretty thick, but once I open up my eye, you will to see the outer corner of my eye lines. Once I open up my eyes, looking straight, it still looks okay. It's not look so thick, but yet it's defining still. And also don't forget to wipe off your eyeliner applicator, because once the eyeliner applicator absorbs all the powders and glitters and shimmers, in the end of the day, you won't be able to utilize whatever the formula has left inside the cartridge. So just make sure the applicator is clean. And then I'm going to use a black eyeliner to kind of add extra intensity. Okay, and then let's do the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna maybe try this kind of very deep dark color. Let's see how it looks like. If I don't like it, then I can just remove it. I actually don't really remember what are the colors inside the palette because I have one more palette here. The reason why I don't really try to, take down the names is because the makeup product, they are not permanent. Even if the brand says it's a permanent product, they will discontinue it anytime. I think this will go with the look. So if you're watching this video 3 or 4 years later since I uploaded, this lipstick color may not be available. And also, I might find another colors too. So far the look is chic and kind of gothic, but yet it's not bad. It's actually defining and I like it so much. Okay, let's move on to a bronzing powder. I'm now gonna bronze my contour the side of my face. To keep it quite minimal, use less. And when you go down to your neck, exactly you need to place this brush underneath your jawline. Let's finish the eyebrow with this eyeshadow palette as well. First, I'm going to use a brow sculpt pencil to shape my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use an eyeshadow shade in Sophia from the palette to fill it in. Okay, so how do you think about this look? Honestly speaking, this is not something that you'd wear daily. Once in a time, if you are going for somewhere special occasion, then I think it's really doable. You can try this look out. I finished the makeup look now, and I really wish you enjoyed this look because I really find this look pretty cute, I would say, because the sparkling eye is something that not many women would dare to wear. And also this kind of plum color, if you don't like the plum color or maroon, then of course you can use a pink color or maybe a orange color like this. Orange color? Maybe not so much, but maybe this kind of pink, coral shade would be nice. So try this kind of makeup out and venture yourself and find real you. And for me, so far, I posted many smoky eye makeup tutorials and those look. Maybe the smoky eye is my persona. I don't know, let's venture it together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit likes as well. And if you have any feedback, just leave me down below. I'll see you soon with a new tutorial and new videos.